Hi, you guys.
What's up?
It's your girl Nishaboo. Welcome back to my channel. Well, today we're going to be doing a Taki challenge. I don't know if it's a challenge or what it is, but all in all, we bought all these Takis, like different chocolate chips, different type of chips. And basically, we're just about to try it all out.
If it's your tasting, you know, like as y'all seen on Snapchat that I've recently been doing vlogs about going to the source and stuff. So like I've already said, we're gonna do some Taki challenges, and we didn't get all of the different ones, but we got the ones that we saw, and we're gonna try it out.
Oh, this is my cousin though.
And you gotta swallow it. You can't spit it out.
Okay.
We should get started.
Alright, so here we got guacamole Taki.
We got lime.
Yeah, okay, so look, some of these words I don't know how to just say it.
Hot bent.
Neutral. Show them so judges, yeah. So I don't know what that says on there, but they didn't show them that, so I don't know what that says. Neutral.
And we
whatever
got
that is, that new Taki.
we got
whatever they knew. They knew Taki.
is the other fajitas. Fajitas. Sorry. I'm
Look,
sorry.
we do not know the name of these Takis. Like they coming
So
up
I'm
with
eating
that.
popcorn too, so
Whatever it is, and then they got mild spicy buffalo. This is a big bag of it. Mild spicy buffalo. Takis, and they actually really look good, for real. They really look good. Like, I literally cannot wait to try it. Last one, original one, everybody. Eat this one. Everybody eat this one. This is the original one.
yes, that's the original.
Whatever it's called. Hot chili pepper and lime.
What up, boy?
Okay.
Yo, what are you
Thanks. Yeah.
Yo, what away, yo?
Oh.
Or can I get some of this apple?
Yeah, you can get, whatever, yeah. Go ahead.
So we're gonna get started.
Okay, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna close our eyes and mix it up and pick whatever one. I don't know. We're gonna pick. Let's get this started.
Period, sis.
Let's go first.
Good, I will. Hold on.
Alright. We just gotta eat with it.
Okay.
Girl, how did you know your popcorn was over there?
Cause I remember that this was that. Girl, I don't play when it comes to my food. Girl.
Okay, pick a bag. Pick a bag.
Alright.
Okay. Are you gonna open your eyes now? It's a regular dynamite. I mean, it's a regular Taki. Okay.
Good boy. Good boy. Good boy.
Okay. Well, we got stuff right there.
Was this burnt? I mean, like a burnt.
It's not hot.
They didn't even put that much on here. They did not put that much. Whatever. Alright, here we go.
Could you like to shuffle it?
Alright. Alright. I'm gonna go this one. Okay. Okay, I got that. Whatever that is. I don't know. Whatever that is. At least ain't hot.
I say it tastes plain. It tastes
It do. It tastes really plain. Like,
So if you
tastes
don't
like-
like plain chips, then get that.
you know what these taste like? These
No,
taste
you don't
like.
like popcorn, Tank? No.
Oh, you know, I do taste it. I do taste it.
No.
It's a cheese.
Okay. No.
You know what it tastes
Well,
like?
nah.
Actually? It tastes like. It really. Hold on.
Wait, where do you get the octopus from?
I'm sure I'm recording for both. Like, so I'm looking right there if you know.
If I see you in the street, bitch, your ass is done. I don't need your opinion.
They taste like chili. No, but like tortilla chip though. I'd say. I mean, yeah, but I know what I mean. We fry those tacos, it's just like almost tastes like that. Yeah, whatever it tastes like. But these are good though, kind of good to me. All right, your turn. All right, we're down to 3 bags and 3 bags.
Say what now?
It's your turn.
I was down in the cup. Bro, this dog is just... Ew, slopper, stop. Stop looking at me. Bro, you son of a
Tank.
dog. There you go.
Sorry, I don't.
I can't even eat my popcorn now because dog hair. And you still sniffing me, bro.
Just move from out the
Bro,
way.
swear to God.
Come here.
Sorry about this, guys.
Come over here. Sit down. Sit down.
Okay, we're not going to talk about that.
Alright, just wait.
I failed. Okay.
Bro, you over here dropping shit. Oh my god, you picked my favorite one! Like, okay, guacamole is the one I've been trying to eat.
Yeah.
Hopefully guacamole is like really good because I really want that whole egg.
Alright.
Like, I really want that.
I don't like guacamole, so...
Oh my gosh, that stink. Ugh. I said that was gonna be good. Well, it might be good. Hold on.
Someone put my foot up.
It might be good. How did it taste? You taste
It smells weird.
You taste it first. You said.
Oh my gosh. Okay.
So,
Hold on. I gotta put my feet up first.
where's it at?
Okay.
It's like, bro, for real. Oh my god, I'm scared.
It's nasty.
But you gotta eat it.
It's nasty. I'm sorry for that. Hold on. Oh my gosh. Okay. I'm just gonna put that sauce on.
Maybe my mom would like that. Maybe she would like the guacamole. I don't know. But you guys,
Okay.
that's nasty to me. I don't know about y'all, but that's nasty. That is nasty.
Alright. So, we're also done.
Okay, we done. 2, 1.
Alright.
2, 1.
To be honest, if I was y'all, don't buy this shit.
Joe, I'm posting it. My mom's gonna. It's alright. It's alright.
Don't buy this.
Alright, let's go.
of 2 bags. Let your hand go up one. Get it. Let your head down. Lay your head down so I can work it.
Okay.
Work it. Work it.
Okay,
Work
I
it
see.
now. Hey, oh yeah.
Spicy buffalo.
Hey.
Spicy buffalo.
Lay your head down.
Okay.
Lay your head
Hopefully
down.
this is the best one. I really want this to be the best one because spicy buffalo wings is like.
So I can work it. Work it now. Lay.
It smells good. I guess. Whatever.
Dun. I smell barbecue. And I don't eat barbecue. Yeah, got some picky eating.
It's it ain't hot, but it's a little bit hot. But it's
My eye burn. It's right there in my eye.
Hmm?
Ha! You blink tank. Oh shit. Hold on, Nisha. Hold on. Let me hurry up and post these two real quick, okay?
it's good. I know,
It's good.
but it's hot. It's spicy. It's oh my god, it's stuck in my tooth. It's like, hey, go try these buffalo rare chips. Hockey. Yeah, that's good. Hey, I might smack on this tonight.
Nisha,
Huh.
I can't post it.
What's me? Here, you can put the last bag.
Look, this thing not. You sent it for blank. I guess we have to post it and give it to me.
Okay, so that's when we got the neutral, that N word. Show you, yo, what is that? What is that? Oh, they stink. Oh, they stink. Ugh. They stink.
I'm not eating that one. It has too much black.
No, you have to.
No, this one has too much stuff in it.
Oh.
And I got asthma.
Ugh. Mm. The dog is just on the side.
Wait, let me
give
see.
him that shit.
Hey.
Give him that shit. Is it hot? Is it really hot? I don't know if it is hot.
He licked it. He licked it.
His mouth probably on fire. Do he like it? Is his mouth on fire? It sounds like.
Yep, it's on fire.
Yeah, he don't want it. Dang, he don't want it no more. He's
Even
scared.
a dog don't like. I'm not eating that then. If the
No,
dog don't
you
like
have
it,
to try it. We have to.
Oh my gosh.
And you have to eat it.
I'm gonna cry.
Is it that nasty? Is it nasty? Is it hot or is it? It's hot and nasty. Oh, I'm scared. I'm scared, you guys. I'm scared. I'm scared.
Oh.
I'm scared. I don't.
Put it in your mouth.
It's
Throw that away.
fine. Good.
I'll
Look, look. So you guys, this is orange, yellow orange. What is it? Pepper. pepper, whatever it is. I'm scared to literally eat this. Okay. Oh my god.
Ugh.
Oh my god, that's yucky.
Well, that was it. So,
Not good.
eh, eh.
Gotta spit it out. Gotta spit it out.
No.
Oh my god. Where's DJ? Did he answer the phone?
I need ice.
No, this is so nasty.
I need ice.
I didn't even swallow it yet. Hold on.
It's right there. Ugh, disgusting. Alright, so shoot. Alright, so to be honest, it was only like 3 chips out of the 5 of them. That was good. So if I was you, don't buy the ones that we said that was disgusting, like for real. You would die. Like you would taste it and then just die. Like that's what I did. I died. So just don't do it. And don't tell her that I ate eating her chips, cause it's disgusting now. Cause that tastes in my mouth. I don't know. You mix it with popcorn. That's nasty. So just don't do it. My bad, Tank. If I see you in the street, it's done. I don't need your opinion. I do what I want. I got a question. How do y'all buy ice? Alright. I don't know. It's not working. No, it is.
Where are you trying on ice? Alright guys, we about to wrap it up.
I was talking to my friends.
We got lower down. My mom y'all been too loud.
Don't put all this
Alright guys.
What? Guys. There's a little comment coming up, okay?
It's a what?
A new challenge. Try to talk with ice in your mouth. What? It's an idea. Oh, don't post it on YouTube. Post it on Snapchat. Yo, Snapchat.
Bye.